So hello guys, today I'm going to discuss the problems that asked in Lead Code contest number 274. So this is a weekly contest 274. Duration of this contest was 1 hour 30 minutes. So just click on this and we have 5 problems in this contest. So I'm not discussing this first one because it's very simple and straightforward. So I'm picking this second problem and let's see what is this problem. So this problem is number of laser beam in a bank. So what we have to do is that we have to find out how many laser beam are there in the bank security layout. So we have given a floor layout for the bank security in the binary string format. So here 1 means there is a laser equipment and 0 means cell is empty. So we have to count number of laser beam in this pattern. So the statement is pretty straightforward and I think the question is also pretty straightforward. So from this first example test case we can get an idea that how we can solve this problem. So here we can see that we have three uh, laser devices in the first row and the second row is empty, and in the third row we have two laser devices, and in the last row we have one laser device. So from the each row, like for example this is a first laser device and it can send laser beam to all the laser devices that are in the next row. So for example this laser beam can send laser beams to this device. Similarly this laser device can send a beam to this device, and similarly this one can also send laser beam to this device, so and this device. All in all we have 6 laser beam from this first row to the third row, and similarly from the third row to the last row we have 2 laser beam because we have 2 devices and both can uh, send a laser beam to the last laser device. So all in all we have 8 laser beams. So if we count this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So simple solution is that we have to count the number of laser beam just in front of these initial laser beams. So for example in this case we have 3 laser beam, in front of these we have 2 laser beam, and then if I am at this row then in front of me I have this 1 laser beam. So I have to just count and multiply. So I have start from 0 row, and in the third row I have 2 laser beams, so 3 into 2 is 6. Now I'm on the third row and I have this 1 laser beam. So in third row I have 2 laser devices, 2 into 1 is 1. So all in all I have total 8 laser devices. So let's jump to the solution. So I just need to count the previous and current laser devices. So in case of I, so when I is equal to 0, so I am on the initial row. So in that case I just need to count what are the number of laser devices are there in the row 0, and when I come to the next row in which for example I have 2 laser beam or 3 laser beams, so I have to count those and just multiply and just keep updating this answer. So once all the iteration done completed I will have a final answer, so I will answer. So let's submit this and this is accepted. So guys, hope you have liked this solution, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please do comment me in the comment box. Thank you for listening and watching, guys.